What you got there, Reese?
Worms and stuff.
Found some good
Let me
ones
see.
there.
Look. Show me the worm.
They're inside here.
Okay. Well,
Yeah, you found some good ones
how many have you found so far?
I don't know, it's 3 or so. 2 actually.
Oh, there's Bentley.
So I'm putting all of the worms.
Look at me.
Please.
How many worms?
I want to find a yacht. Whoa! You got this big one.
Oh my gosh!
Whoa!
Sure that's not a snake?
That looks like a snake.
Yeah.
The boa constrictor?
Shh.
Whoa! Hey, I'm trying to get it in here.
I don't think he wants to go in there. He wants to stay in the. I think you got them all.
I can't get any little ones. Oh!
I see one more.
Ah!
Reese.
Where?
Look. What's this over here?
Yeah, somewhere on the bottom of the log still.
A big fat one and this one.
All right, say hi to Grandma and Grandpa.
Hey, Grandma and Grandpa.
Look at me. Look, smile.